What's up, the Miner's back, and before I explain what's going on right in front of us, first I'll tell you that this is going to be an all-new survival series, and first things first, let's start off our exploration team. Let's just go with THK. I'll explain THK in a little bit, but let's just customize the flag real quick. Like a pink color. I'm gonna just go like that. And we just go something like that. And right there. Then not my best artwork. Just gonna have to say that right now. Not at all my best artwork. So that's the THK flag, I'm guessing. It kind of looks alright. Well, enough of that. Let's just pop this thing. That's just for something I'm going to get into in later episodes. Let's just start off with the basic essentials of survival. If you can see my hunger, I am on peaceful mode. I'm gonna do this is how I start out with all my survival series. 3 days in peaceful mode, 3 Minecraft days in peaceful mode. Then I flip over to normal mode, and then just lock it on that, so I can't change it from that point ever. I just hate how choppy it is. My computer gets so laggy with this. Two things I hate in Minecraft. One, doors. No, 3 things. 1, doors. 2 would probably be parkour. And 3, tall grass. Alright, let's try. That's enough wool for bed. If you've seen my essential world, where I'm gonna be basically just stating it for like mini mod series and everything, you've noticed that I've got carpenter's blocks on. I don't know how to make those. So I'll probably look more into that for future episodes. There's 2 things that we need to focus on right away, though. Is a house, a dedicated lava flow. And I'll explain that in later episodes. And a decent wood supply. Hopefully we can get all that before my saturation completely depletes. We do have a decent amount of wood stock here, but over here I saw something that I might want to look into. This is anything that I really hope for. Ooh, that's copper. It's either aluminum. Ooh, not at all what I wanted, not at all. There's good ores down here, but not what I really need. Ooh, this is good, this is good. Got a cherry. I believe I can plant those to make cherry trees. Put that in my crafting table or something. I haven't experienced with cherries, but I have experienced with strawberries. I can find a couple of strawberries. I can start up a strawberry farm. Well, let's say what the heck. This is a pretty flat area. Say we just start building a house here. Alright, first couple things that I'm going to be needing, of course, will be crafting table. Actually, I'm going to need 2 crafting tables. There we go. Then 1, 2, 1, 2. There's a reason why I'm pulling out 2 extra. So that'll give us some stencils. Then, of course, stencils for those who know Tinker's Construct. I'm going to make a few different things. That's 2. So I. Oh yeah. 9. Just throw it on the stencil table. Sorry for the double click that comes in with the lag. So we can't plant these. Can we turn them into seeds? No, we cannot. Let's try just getting some more wood for now. I know this is gonna be like a shortened kind of series or shortened kind of episode because, well, it's just me mining a bunch of wood for 15 minutes and explaining what this is gonna be about. Not what I had in mind. Sorry about that. Something got in my throat. Didn't know what it was. Oh, stuck in a hole. Ooh, that's good. Need a lot of clay. Don't want to be flooded out. Oh, nope, being flooded out. We got a big just surplus of clay over here. Ooh, that's good. It's good survival so far. For those who are watching and know why I'm looking at the gravel and clay and sand and everything. I hate these holes. is that while I'm looking at all these different types of like clay and stuff, is probably for like something a little bit different of what I'm making right now. If you know what these are from, most of you that actually play Minecraft a lot probably know what this is. There's our little crafting area. All we need is a little furnace, and then we're good. But for that, alright, have some wood over here. You know what, just for decoration, how about I just go like this, that, and that. We get ourselves a wooden chair. And then with this wooden chair, plop it down right there, so anytime that we want to come up and craft, sit down, and, well, get ourselves a little work table here. Plus, the best part of this is that when we're sitting here, we will not lose hunger, but our arm will get messed up real bad. I don't like how that looks. So, oh, I got another cherry. Didn't really see that either. So we just chucked up some of that more. And, probably just gonna, like, in between episodes, I'll mine up a lot of resources, build up a house, build up a nice foundation. I really want to grab that copper, but nope. Nope. And I'm gonna try saving a lot of my wood for, building blocks mostly, because I don't like chopping down trees and all that. I'm lazy. So I know something that I might be able to do a little bit better. Like this. What? No. It's alright. Put down some of these. And reminding you, this is modded. So don't be trying this on regular Minecraft. It's not gonna work. Oh, more copper, more copper. Even more copper. Well, guys, on that positive note, I'm gonna have to sign out and, well, meet you back in maybe 20-25 minutes when I got all the resources and actually built a house. But this is the ep.1 signing out, so I'm gonna have to see you guys real soon.